welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make my original recipe, kind of like Chinese recipe. So I wanna try to make stir fry chicken. This is a chicken breast and bamboo shoots and egg. The nira, we just Japanese people call it nira. It's a Chinese chive. And using ginger garlic and chili pepper. So the seasoning, I'm gonna use like a chicken soup powder and pepper, shirodashi, this one is a white soy sauce, oil, I'm just using salad oil, and secret seasoning. This is oyster sauce. So I'm just making like a starchy, like a texture, using starch, potato starch, and water. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Chopped garlic, ginger, and chili. I'm just making a little bit spicy one, that's why I'm just using chili pepper. That chicken. I'm gonna make a dice cut. This and bamboo shoots. So today I'm gonna use bamboo shoots, cutting like a block. Pepper a little bit. And shirodashi a little bit. And switch, I play. So good flavor come out, ginger and garlic and chili pepper. Bamboo shoot. Nira. Chinese chive. So English name. Japanese people call Nira. Nira. The Chinese chive. Little bit pepper. Soy sauce, white soy sauce, 白だし。Little bit. Eggs. Water. Taste. Secret season. Oyster sauce ready. Starch and water, making the sticky sauce, starchy sauce. Mix again. Perfect. Okay, this is stir fried chicken and bamboo shoots and nira, Chinese chive, and egg. Little bit spicy flavored stir fried. My original recipe. So let's start it. Bamboo shoot. Good balance. This recipe is not so difficult. Yeah, please check my video step by step. You can make it. It's a restaurant quality. I really recommend on your table. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good year. Great dish. Bye.